Are pickpockets also there?
Yes, yes, so many. Every day people are dying, and so many accidents are happening there.
Every day people are dying, but on TV they are not
Yes,
showing that people are dying. So are they hiding the numbers?
but
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Anything bad happen with you?
Yes.
Good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am?
Oh, I'm doing great. Tell me about yourself.
So this is Prem Praveen
Okay.
speaking. I am a teacher.
Okay, you are a teacher.
So
What do you teach?
yes, right now I am. Yes, what, ma'am?
What do you teach?
Yes, I teach science.
Okay.
Right now I am working in a Prayagraj.
Prayagraj.
Yes,
Okay.
I am working there only.
Okay. So you have duty in Prayagraj.
No, right now currently I am working in a school, which is situated in Prayagraj district.
Okay.
Now a holiday is going on. Now, yes.
So you belong to Prayagraj district. Have you been to Kumbh
No,
Mahakumbh?
no. Yes, ma'am. Listen. I belong to Bihar, Patna, but I am working there only.
Okay. So you are working there. So did you go to Mahakumbh?
Yes.
Did you go
Oh,
to?
I visit. Yes, sure. I visit
Okay, you visited.
Mahakumbh.
So how was it? How are
Yes.
the arrangements? And I have heard it's very crowded. Is it really crowded?
Yes, really crowded. You are hearing. Okay, but yeah, they are very rush.
Okay. So it's very crowded.
People.
When did you go?
Yeah, very crowded.
When did you go to Mahakumbh?
Yes, I went 1 week ago.
Okay, you went there 1 week ago. So would you recommend
Yes, ma'am.
people to go there?
No, I will not recommend to go people there because they are very rush, and vehicle are not going and coming, and everything is a stop where they are only. So people are not allowed to go there, and very rush and crowded, and it is better to stay at home only,
Okay.
according to my knowledge.
Mhm. Okay, you will not
People are
recommend
very
anyone
every
to go to
yes,
Prayag. You will not recommend anyone to go to Mahakumbh because it is so crowded
yes,
that you would
yes, very
recommend people to stay home instead of going there.
yes,
So is it
yes,
risky? Is it very risky?
yes,
Okay,
yeah,
it's
ma'am.
good that it is risky. Are pickpockets also there?
Yes. So many pickpocket are there,
Oh,
and very you can't imagine also there.
okay.
Pickpocket are there.
Pickpockets are there. Okay, so
Yes,
I have heard that
black magic there. Yes,
oh,
yes.
black magic.
There black magic maybe they will confuse mind, and they will study your mind, and they will robber are so many there. I can say there are so many pickpocket and thug baba. Yo, maybe I can't say
Okay, you think there are so
yes,
many pickpockets and robbers who will try to do some black
robbers.
magic on you and then they will steal your money.
Yes,
So they,
yes. I will. No, I will suggest people not go there. It is better because people are coming from there, so they are saying I'm very irritated to go there. It will be better to stay at my home, so that's why.
you think that whoever is going to Mahakumbh, I mean, nobody had good experience. Everybody got
Yes,
frustrated. Okay,
yes,
you don't suggest anybody to go to Mahakumbh. Okay,
yes.
but I have,
Every day people are dying. Every day people are dying, and so many accidents are happening there. So there people go straight and come back very soon
okay,
in the middle.
every day people are dying, but on TV they are not
Yes,
showing that people are dying. So are they hiding the
but
numbers?
I don't know what I don't know about that. But according to my knowledge, it is not better to go there. So there's so many crowded and rush. People are every day people crushes under the feet.
Okay.
So
So you mean stampede is happening or people are being crushed? People are being crushed and stampedes are happening. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Anything bad happen with you?
You can watch movie. You can watch news, ma'am. It is better to understand. You can watch news.
Yeah, see, I have been watching news, but you are a live person in front of me. You have witnessed Mahakumbh.
Yeah, yeah,
That
sure,
is why
sure.
I am asking you.
Yeah.
So, did anything bad
Maybe.
happen with you?
No, anything because I went to one week ago. That time, uh, very little people was there. So, but I was not much experience. But I go and come.
Okay, okay. So, did you take bath?
No, 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 never, never. I don't like to take bath in the river because uh, crowded there and so many people are there. You can't imagine and can't think. You can imagine. You will not able to take bath in the river because so many people are there. But go and come. That is enough.
Okay, okay. Okay, I have heard one thing that even the beggars are making so much money at Mahakumbh because 5 crore people
Yes,
are
sure,
visiting it
yes,
every day. So they are
yes.
giving so much money to the beggars. Is it true?
Yeah, it is too. I also hearing about that. I also hearing about that.
Okay, Prem, do you want me to introduce myself?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Okay, so my name is Meenu Puri. I hail from Delhi. I have completed my Master of Computer Application. So I am an MCA. I have been running my YouTube channel for 3.5 years. This is all
Yes,
about
ma'am.
me.
I heard about.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, I heard about your name 1 month ago.
Okay.
Uh,
From where?
in I follow you in a Skype apps also. But that
Okay.
time I was not able to connect with you.
Okay. Mhm. So you have been watching my
So
conversational videos?
yeah, so yes,
Okay. So why do you want to
I
learn
will.
Prem?
What, ma'am?
Why do you want to learn English?
Because it is a global language, or without English you can not survive anywhere. If you have knowledge of English, then you can survive easily in every place, because it is a compulsory, it is a language, speaking a skill where you can survive anywhere. And most of book is written in English only, and like a story, CBSE board, if you are studying CBSE board, so all books are written in English only. So I thought English is very popular and global language. So I thought, why not I study in English. So I study 12th till 12th, study in English medium school, and still I'm interested. That time I was not able to speak in English fluency.
Okay.
So I thought, why not it will be continue. So I interested so much because one incident happened with me. So I went somewhere where I had only Hindi language. They are speaking English, but I can understand, but I was not able to speak fluently. So I will that time I feel shy. So I decided one day I have to speak English at any cost. So just I started speaking only, but that's all.
Very good, Prem. Congratulations that you gathered courage to speak this language. And since
Yes.
when have you been practicing English?
Just I have told already, till 12th class I was not able to speak English fluency, but right now 6 months ago I focus, I 100% focus on speaking only. Only speaking. So near about 6 months, near about 6 months I started speaking, and right now you are watching me and you are seeing me, what is the position in English speaking. So right now I am speaking, that is a level of 6 months only.
Okay. So you have been practicing for 6 months and it's a very good progress.
Yes.
So you are improving a lot.
Yes.
And
Thank,
tell me, is it a
thank you,
rural
ma'am.
area?
This is urban area.
Okay.
This is urban area.
And are you married?
Right now, yes, I'm married. I have got married in August, maybe 6 months.
Okay, you got married 6 months ago.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
So you can see my wife also. Achal, come. So you can meet with my wife also is coming. So
Okay.
it is a very privilege to meet her. She is also very excited to meet you because I have heard about you a lot in Skype apps.
Okay.
But that time I am following you, but I can't connecting you. So right now I found you in Instagram.
Okay. So Achal, your wife's name is Achal, right?
Yes, ma'am. She
She
is
also
coming.
knows.
I
Does she
yes.
know that I am an English teacher?
No, no. She doesn't not English, but
No.
she
Does she know that
don't
I
know
am an
how to
English
speak.
teacher? Does she know that I am an English teacher?
Yes. No, no. She know right now. I have told her. One ma'am is there. With him, with her, I will talk to her. That time you will also come and meet.
Okay.
So she will come very soon.
Mhm.
So
Okay. So tell me, is it a nuclear family or your parents are also with you?
yes, I am nuclear family. My parents are very far from me. So right now I am nuclear family, and before I was a joint family. So right now I am staying in the Prayagraj, me and my wife.
Okay. So earlier you used to live in,
What, ma'am?
where did you live earlier?
Bihar, Patna.
Okay, okay. So your parents are in Bihar right now.
Yes, right now. Have you ever about Patna?
Yes, yes, I have. Prem, tell me how is the weather in Prayagraj?
Weather is clear, ma'am. Right now you can see weather is clear, and
It's
everything is going well. And sunny day. Air is sunny day. Sunny days
so
since
it's a
morning.
sunny day, but is it cold in the mornings and evenings?
No, no, no. I have told you it is a clear day. Uh, quietly sunny day.
Okay. So later in the night it gets chilly.
No, no. Never, never, never. No
Okay.
chilly.
Okay. You teach science in your school. Is there English environment in your school? I mean, everyone speaks English in your school?
Oh yes, sure. Everyone is speaking English. Right now, I am teaching English because of improving my English speaking. That's why 6 month before since 6 month I am teaching English only.
But
I am
now,
giving 100% focus English speaking.
so now you are not teaching science?
But I have two period. One science period, one English period.
Okay,
So
okay.
I am taking
That's good.
totally two period.
You have only one period of English. So do you teach grammar?
Yes, grammar with as well as grammar as well as literature also
Okay.
and science also.
Please turn on your video.
Yes, ma'am. I'm turning on, but I can't see you.
Can you see me now?
No, no. Still, I'm not seeing you.
Then there is some problem at your end.
When I go through the Instagram, then here is showing meeting ID.
No, you close the Zoom app and then click the link
Yes.
that I gave you. आप Zoom
In,
वाली ऐप
in
को बंद कर
Instagram.
दो और आप सिर्फ लिंक को क्लिक करो.
Yes, I have done that only. So I go through the Instagram and click the in link.
Yeah. Can you see me now?
No, ma'am. Still, I'm not seeing.
You leave the meeting, close Zoom app, and then click the link again. So Prem, do you
What?
want to ask me anything? Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, ma'am. I will ask you sure, but I can't see you properly. But you're not visible. Hello.
Hello?
My wife want to see you.
Voice is breaking. I can't hear you. We will have to
Oh.
disconnect this meeting and we will join some other day. Okay?
Okay, okay, sure. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, then bye bye. All the best.
Thank you for connecting me.